Hello Masterminds. Today we will teach you how to make a harmless virus on desktop or laptop. First search Notepad from desktop search. Click on it. Then write the code. I am pretty sure you can't see the code. Or for your facility I have uploaded it in description. So check out. First type do. Then press enter. And on next line write short form of msgbox, that is msgbox. Then without space add inverted commas. And in them type anything you want to display on screen. As I am typing. I am hacker and I will hack you. Then after it. Press enter. On new line write loop. And your virus is completed. Save it as any_name.vbs. You can write anything before .vbs. But VBS is important. Without it code cannot run. Now save it. Open it from desktop. If the file is not there, make sure you saved it in desktop. Go back to the notepad, then again save it as anything.vbs. Write anything before VBS, but as I told you before, without VBS file cannot run. Save it in desktop. If still it is not there in desktop, then search it from Windows search. Search with the name you gave it. When you fin. Now open the file. When you will open, a window will display which contains the text you wrote in code. Like this on screen. Now if you will press OK or try to close it. It will not, because that is the function of the virus. If you want to stop this virus, be patient because that is another video. Thanks. Bye bye.